We are headed up to our next destination. It was 11 miles from our last destination, but it's going to take 25 minutes to get there. So we are on some back mountain roads. We are going higher in elevation. My ears just popped, so we are getting higher. And we are about 8 minutes out from our destination. Don't know what the job entails, but we're right at lunchtime, so maybe we'll get some lunch in and then we'll start this job. Oh yeah. Here's our destination. Here's one tree that's gonna come down. Check that out. Lola Brigida. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Yikes. That's gonna need help. Yeah, she's got a couple of trees. Or he does. Let's find out what's going on. He's taking the lift down to that first tree over there. Maybe the second one here. We got a little bit of downtime until he gets that off, but he's extending the legs and it's like a spider lift. Sorry, eating my lunch here. But everything can be done on a remote control, I believe. We got to get a closer look at that. All right, you can see here he's bringing the lift up off of the trailer. This ought to be a sight to see. And it is at least 5 to 10 degrees cooler up here on the top of this mountain because my hands are getting cold. That's pretty awesome. Starting out here. Yeah. Re-grab up little stuff. Sometimes we just need to move that around. Yep. That's it. He'll throw it down where I can get to it. That'll work. Which one is that? The tree up there?
Yeah, it's got a lot more pressure on it than that tree of heaven he had.
The sensor.
So Vance is going to get that off to get some of this brush out and clean this road out. So he'll have that to help us with that pine if he needs to.
Okay.
It's up to you if you want to.
I'll cut it
with me down there.
Yeah.
But they're going to watch. Vance is going to watch him here, and he'll be pulling brush from this tree. We're going to pull it back in there.
Okay.
Just trying to make good time because we
got 2 more.
I think he said it. Yeah, I don't know that we'll get to those.
All right.
Be good if we can.
Yeah. We can cut. All right.
I hear you, lumberjack.
Loving it. an undercut here. Let it drop. Hey, Dad, what size pieces do you want? Doesn't matter?
As long as I ain't go between trees, setting it over weight. That's all that matters.
6, 8 feet?
8, 10 foot.
Okay.
No problem.
I got it. Yes, he is. Hey, whatever works to get the job done.
Hey, I knew if we got our bar stuck, all he'd have to do is come pick it up for us.
That too, exactly. You're not a chainsaw guy if you haven't gotten your bar stuck.
That's right. That's right. Checking out, but it looks like he grabbed them and pushed them back in the woods.
Fantastic.
So I just kicked this stuff over in the ditch, what I did.
Okay. Works for me. I think eventually all of this stuff will get pushed out to the side anyways. I'm sure the homeowners are going to be happy about having that tree down. I don't know, what'd that take us, like 15 minutes maybe? Gonna head on back up there. Hey, this chainsaw got a little bit of use out of it, that's good.
Dead time there. He could have pushed over,
Oh yeah.
but it's not leaning over the road, but it's going to be in the road one day.
Yep, looks like a telephone pole.
There hung up.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Sure
These
enough.
are beautiful woods.
Yeah, it is. How cool is that, huh? Looking good.
Think he can reach
What's that?
50 feet out, or 90 foot up, I think, right with that.
Wow, okay. That's a nice machine.
Amazing. Yeah, that'll take him to retirement. The nice log the other crew left that fell on that house. I don't know if they left it there. Somebody might want to saw it. It's easy to get to.
Yeah. What kind of wood? What kind of tree was that?
Red oak,
That was a red oak.
scarlet oak, just like this one. Cut it off into butt, Robert?
Yeah, I'll try it. Hey,
That one fooled
thank you for the advice again.
Yeah, that one fooled you. Fooled me, because I thought that root ball would pull it down.
Yeah.
There's enough weight on here, it pinched it the other way.
Yeah, good stuff. Wait, say that again?
There's a toggle up inside of that elbow that it's a sensor to make sure that thing's lined up when you load it, or it shuts down everything. It's got, you wouldn't believe the sensors on it.
Oh,
it's insane.
Okay, security and electronics and
Yep.
stuff. Safety, yeah.
Yep.
Hey, Scooter. What are you estimating the return on investment on this, years wise, or months? 10 years? Okay. All right. We just finished up this job. We were maybe here an hour and a half or so. He just loaded the lift bucket up back on the trailer. You saw us take care of the tree up in front. I was able to cut the big tree off of the stump over there, and we're gonna wrap it up and head to job number 4. Anywho, I'm gonna pack the truck back up, get ready for the next one. We're starting to run out a little bit of daylight, as you can see by the sun in the background there, but we'll be all right. And we'll see you at the next job. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.